Hello, I'm here with Miquel from Catalan AV Cluster. We're here at ISE. What are some of the engagement opportunities and the activities that the Catalan AV Cluster is conducting at the show?
Yeah, the Catalan AV Cluster is organizing many activities. We do all year round, and this week is very special for us, because we can bring all the members of the Catalan cluster here, in order to teach them, to educate them on new technologies, that are very important for us in order to be competitive. So, first idea, it's so important for us to be here. And then we are organizing especially activities that deal with virtual production. Virtual production is very important for the future of our production industry. AI is everywhere. During the year, we are organizing many events that deal with AI, but here we are focusing on AI, how it will affect to jobs, how can use AI in our companies in order to be very competitive. And then drones. We are focusing a lot on drones. So we are showcasing at Hall 8 many demos in order to check how we can use drones in order to, to have them in our shows or in our productions.
Yeah, and of course, all the things that you mentioned, AI specifically, is going to change the job market a lot. I know you have Fast Forward Friday on the Friday. Could you tell us a bit more about how you're going to be focusing on career development and talent and growth for not just the Catalan sector, but this will be relevant to anyone?
Yeah, it's going to be relevant because AI is affecting everything, but not only AI. Yeah. When you come here, 2025, if you compare the show with last year, there have been so many changes in technologies, and not only AI. So that's why it is so important to understand how all the technologies, and AI especially, because it goes faster than others, how they will affect not only to talent and professionals, to companies, because I think that sessions on Friday are aimed not only to new professionals that are stepping into the sector, and they will learn what are the things they have to take into account, not only the skills, but how they have to work, but it's also important for companies, because we companies need to change the way we work, how all the workflows must be adapted to new technologies and AI. And this affects a lot to our professionals. They need to learn how they have to be very proactive in order to upskill with anything that has to do not only with AI, but with any other technology.
Yeah, of course. And if I'm not mistaken, sessions are being offered in Spanish as well. I know you've probably already conducted some of them. How are these sessions being received?
So good, yeah, because I think that we have more and more people, professionals coming not only from Spain, but also from South America. And we have had a very high attendance to everything that we have organized. It's true that the content was fantastic, the speakers were very good, all the topics that we were covering were very interesting for everyone, and it's been working so well.
That's amazing to hear. And just to cap off our conversation, what is the Catalan AV Cluster doing to make sure that the industry in this region continues to grow, continues to innovate?
Yeah, we are constantly working with all the members of our industry. Our main tool is strategic thinking. We try to gather all the market information, trends, all the information you can find in such a show, and then all the knowledge that comes from the different companies that are in the cluster. And with all this, we are constantly adapting our strategic plans. In the past, they last for 2, 3, 4 years. Now they last for a year. because everything is changing so quickly. So strategic thinking is our main tool, and from these strategic ideas, no, what we do, we land it by organizing events, by educating people, by trying to be in contact with the administration, no, in order to influence on the different infrastructure plans, no, that they can push, from the administration. So these are some of the things we do here in order to make this Catalan AV sector stronger.
Miquel, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you to you.